Alright, hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Nick, and I'm back with another video. And today, this is going to be a bit of a different video because I will be unboxing in a regular format, which I don't know if I've done before in this channel because I like, doing fancy edits and whatnot. But right now, this is just going to be a raw unboxing video of a product that I really want to talk about because a funny story about this is actually a reward for myself. Basically, I set up a goal. There was a condition. If I ace my exam for my ground schooling, I will get this and purchase this online. So right now, we'll be unboxing it. Alright, this is confidential information. So anyway, I'll just show you this part, of course, fragile. Okay, there you go. And be careful to not get too deep into the product. Okay, so here's the product itself. This is a watch made from a company called Love Hope Faith Group. It actually indicates here, United in Helping Cancer Patients. Now, what this means is that this group right here, this organization, is an advocacy-driven organization. So basically, 50% of the profit that they'll get from selling these watches will go straight to cancer patients. So I looked deep into their website and they seem promising because I've been seeing this for the past 4 years. Basically, they started off as helping cancer patients, younger cancer patients, which are, kids. Right now, they've expanded. Oh, that's a really nice thought. This is actually a gift also for myself as a Valentine's gift, because it's gonna be a nice story that, the idea of, buying something and being able to help out through that purchase is a really nice, thought. So yeah, basically, as you can see, artwork created by our little cancer warriors. Wow. So this actually was done by their cancer patients. Okay, so I love the simple packaging. I'll link the watch down in the description below. You guys can go check their website out. So basically, here it is. It comes in different colors. What I got was, of course, black. A funny story, I was actually studying when this arrived. So yeah, kick of this watch will bring hope to cancer patients. I love how they have little, descriptions that are informative. And, it gives you that wholesome vibe that you've done something positive. Thank you, Lifesavers, for being part of our family and for making all these possible. Your simple act of kindness reaches thousands of hearts. 50% of the net proceeds of this watch will be donated to cancer patients and other Love Hope Faith Group beneficiaries. So, here's the watch itself. I should actually take off the watch I'm wearing right now. This is my daily driver. Alright, let's place that over there. You can pause the video and read that for yourself to get to know more about them. Okay, also, this originated from the Philippines. So this is a really good initiative by the Filipino people themselves. Alright, Lifesaver watch. Okay, so here's the watch itself. This is the Lifesaver Watch 4.0. That is a really cool detail, as you can see from there. So, it's a simple quartz watch, nothing too fancy. But of course, by doing this, you'll actually be helping a lot of people. So that's a nice initiative. Okay, so here is the comparison for my watch. Alright, that's how big it is. Here's the thickness. Just probably flash the specifications on the screen because I don't know the exact size of this watch. Judging from how it looks, it kind of looks like it's 38 millimeters. So this was probably made with a consideration of women wearing the watch itself. So yeah, this is a unisex watch, which is good. All right, let me just peel this off. All right. There you go. The dial is nice. It's a white dial. I don't have a watch that has a white dial. That's not a smartwatch because this watch has a white dial, but it's, you know, as you can see, it's a smartwatch. Yeah. Let's try the watch on. It still has their branding over there. Okay, so it's nice that you'll be able to tell your, you know, someone if you have intentions of passing this down to someone, you know, at least they know that this watch had a really beautiful initiative, just helping other people out. Nice. As you can see, it's written there in the dial, a life is safe in every tick of this watch. Wow. That's really, really cool. Okay. Yeah, go check them out. They're really cool. The watch is very lightweight, so it's actually really comfortable. And yeah, you know, I have small wrists, so I love the cool details it has. We're so thankful for your support in helping cancer patients. If you can, please share a short 10 to 30-second video or create a post about our cause and products mean to you. Your voice can truly make a difference. So, yep, you're welcome. I'm actually making a YouTube video right now. Yeah, spread the word. If you're watching this, spread the word. Send it to your friends. I'll be sending you guys the link down in the description below. So, yeah. Alright, so that is pretty much it for the Lifesaver watch. It boasts a really simplistic, minimalistic design. As you can see, you know, it's just a simple white dial that, you know, can match any outfit. It would be nice if you guys go check them out and hopefully get one for yourselves. It's a nice gift for someone. Now, just to clarify, this is not made for watch enthusiasts, okay? This was simply made to raise a cause, to help someone out. So yeah, it couldn't go any better than that. That is it for the Lifesaver watch. Big kudos to Love Hope Faith Group. You guys keep doing what you're doing. You guys are helping a lot of people, and I hope you don't stop doing it.